In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear browser history and cache in Microsoft Edge. The first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Edge browser. As you can see, mine is open here. And then head over to these three dots on the top right corner and click on them. Now under this, look for the option called Settings. And as you can see, we have settings here. If I go ahead and tap on it, go to this option called Profiles. And under this, you can see here is your profile, and now you can decide to clear all the cache and browsing history for this profile. So to clear browsing history and cache, go ahead and look for the function called clear browsing data. If you click on it, you can see here you can now clear browsing history, download history, cookies, and cached images and files. If you're okay with this, leave them selected, or if you want to leave any of them, just you can unselect them by just clicking on them like that. Then you have to go ahead and choose the time period you want this to be cleared. For instance, if you want to clear the information for the last 1 hour, you can just leave it at that. However, if you want to clear maybe for the last 24 hours or for the last 4 weeks or for all time, go ahead and tap on it, and then it will be selected. Once you have chosen the length of period you want to clear, go ahead and choose this option, clear now. If we go ahead and tap on it, it will begin clearance, and within a moment everything should be cleared. And look at that, it is done. Our browser now is clean. Now next, you may want to go ahead and choose what you want to clear every time you close your browser. If you want to choose any of them, you can go ahead here and toggle these buttons. For instance, maybe you want to choose to clear your browsing history each time you close your browser. You can just go ahead and turn it on. If you want also to clear for download history, you can just turn it on, and you can also do the same for the others. So that's how you clear history and cache files on your Microsoft Edge browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.